Mm, 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 hmm, mm,
You see, again any problem means you will see. Dinesh, good evening. Actually, yes, I will explain and also I will go for the new problems. New problems. You, this is not so easy for you to understand. Once you understood, just like we will tell maths, once you understood means it will be easy like that. It is. Hmm. Tasmi, I am going to explain the last problem and this problem also. Okay. You all of you take out your table. That means normal distribution table you take out. Normal distribution table you take out all of you. And now you see this problem and then you will be okay. You see this problem, then we will find out it. See the problem. If x is a normal variate with mean 30 and standard deviation 5, find the probabilities that 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40 and x greater than or equal to 45. Compared to the previous problem, Tasmia, since you asked, I am telling you, last day problem which I have taken all with standard normal variate. This time I have taken problem with normal variate. How you can identify standard normal variate means z will be coming and normal variate means x will be coming. So here we have to change over to Z. How we can change over to the standard normal variate? How we can change over to standard normal variate? Anyone can tell? Standard normal variate. All of you listen properly. Okay. Yes. Rohan. X minus mu by sigma. Standard deviation is sigma. X minus mu by sigma. Now from that you can understand the previous problem, Tasmia. Yes, I am talking to Tasmia, you can answer it. That I have told. Now we are changing over to standard normal variate. Yes, x minus mu by sigma. That is same as the previous day's problem. Ruba madam, are you there?
Ma'am, I'm here, ma'am.
Can you mute that Ashok Babu sir or anyone, any other faculty since both I am not able to do at the same time.
Yes, ma'am, I am trying to mute them, but I'm not able to mute them, ma'am.
Then can you please call him and tell? Okay.
I'll put it in the group, ma'am.
Please,
I'll put it in the group.
okay. Okay, please, ma'am. Okay. Hello? 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40 and x greater than or equal to 45. I will go very slowly only, again you understand. Now we are moving to standard normal variate as they have written. as x minus mu by sigma we are taking. You see, mean is given as 30 and standard deviation is given as 5. It is clear, it is given in the problem. You can note down the problem, all of you, then only. X is a normal variate with mean 30 and standard deviation 5. So we took mu, we are having mu equal to 30 and standard deviation sigma equal to 5. Now they are asking the problem, probability of finding the probability of 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40. You have to write, then only you can understand. When x is equal to 26, our substitution z equal to x minus mu by sigma. So in place of x I am substituting 26, 26 minus 30 by sigma 5 I am putting. Then I am getting the answer. All of you write down whether the answer is correct or not, you check it. If I get answer only I will proceed and all of you should check it. Yes, minus 0.8 is correct. Whether you could understand that how it is the change compared to the previous problem. Again I am repeating, as last day we have seen standard normal variate. Today we are seeing normal variate and we are converting it into standard normal variate. For that substitution is this. This is the substitution. And when I substitute x is equal to 26, it is changing to minus 0.8. Minus 0.8 I am getting. As next 40, 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40 is coming. So 40 I am substituting. 40 minus 30 by 5 I am getting. Answer will be 2. Yes. Now our problem has changed to 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40 will change to probability of minus 0.8 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 2. Am I correct or not? You can find out the area. What is the area you are getting? Minus 0.8 to 2 you are getting. In that area from 0 to 2 and 0 to minus 0.8, that is same as 0 to 2 and 0 to 0.8. Both adding, you will be getting the answer. Whether your answer is 0.77653, you do it. By the time I will check it. What is the problem? You do the problem, I will check it. Okay. Did you get the answer? Did you get answer? Okay. Once again you go back and see the problem, whether you are getting it or not, you check it. Tasmai, this problem whether you could understand or not. Did you understand, Tasmai? The problem, did you get it? What is the how to find out it? You were asking the first how to do it previous problem, the same way this is also. Now you go for the second part. I don't know what is the problem with this. Yes, you do it. X is equal to 45 and Z equal to 45 minus 30 by 5. The problem was, the question was, it is X is greater than or equal to 45. Now here we are replacing it with 45 and we are getting the answer 3. It is greater than or equal to 3. Take out your table and find out. You should draw the figure when you do the problem. What is the answer you are getting? What is the answer? Did you get the answer? 0.00135. One thing I will do, I will stop sharing and do again sharing. That will be nice, I am thinking. Yes. Did you get answer? Yes, you got it. All of you, can I move to the next problem? What is the answer you got? Whether it is correct 00135? Can I move to the next problem? Yes or no? Next problem you see. Suppose the weight of 800 male students are normally distributed with mean 140 pounds and standard deviation 10 pounds. Find the number of students whose weights are between 138 and 148 pounds, more than 152 pounds. How many of you can do it? Any idea you are having? What is the mean here? Mean. Mean is 140 and standard deviation is, what is standard deviation? 10. What we are supposed to find out? Probability between 138 and 148 you are supposed to find out. 138 and 148 you are supposed to find out. Probability is correct. Yes, Durga. Now you find out the number of students whose weight, number of students you find out. All of you try, then I will show the slide. Where you are missing, you can find out. Now you convert 138, probability of 138 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 148 to standard normal variate set. That is x minus mu by sigma. Make it. How many of you are getting the answer? Only Durga has written probability. Anyone else? What is the answer you are getting? Whether you are able to do it or not? Yes. Vaibhavi got 0.3674. Different answers I am getting. Okay. Now, Rohan has written some decimal he has written. 143 point decimal number of students comes, decimal will not come. Answer is correct or not, we will check. First of all, decimal will not come. Hariharam also. Sorry, that is probability only. No. Only Rohan has written 143. The remaining all are writing probability. Rishida, it will be a whole number. Yes, Rohan has made it as 143. Yes, 143.8. Rishida has completely round off. That is correct. Since 0.8 means we will have to take to 4. 144. Okay. How many of you are able to do it? Now, I am showing those who are not able to do, see and do it. Mu is 140 and sigma is 10. Standard deviation is 10. Probability of 138 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 148 we want to find out. So you making it as a standard normal variate, we are doing it as x minus mu by sigma, 138 minus 140 by 10, so minus 0.2 we got. Similarly 148 minus 140 by 30 you are doing. It is coming approximately how much? I think 0.8. Yes. All of you, those who could not do. Yes, Rishita, second answer also you found out. Very good. Those who could not do, you write down and do it. Is it clear or not? Those who are not writing, those who are not responding, to them I am asking. All of you find out similarly the second answer also. Can I move to the next slide? Should I wait means you should write, then only I will be able to know. Better I will move. Okay. No one is responding, so we are moving to the next slide. I have shown that figure. All of you should draw the figure and you should mark it. This is Z axis, not X axis. You should write it. Yes. So the answer is coming 0.3674. I got 294. Whether my calculation is correct or not. I am having total 800 students. Your answer 0.3674. I also got the number of students is 800, or as the total number is 800 only. Yes. So Meghana got 294. How others got 144 with which you multiplied? You are supposed to multiply NP, probability, into the number. Number we should multiply. Number is 800 only. I should take back. The question is 144. Have you got? You tell me. Or 140. Or what? You multiplied it with which number? Okay, all right. But now you understand that you should see. I am taking the problem once again and I am showing you. Suppose the weight of 800 male students are normally distributed. I don't have any other number. 140 is mean, 10 is standard deviation. So we cannot get something else. 800 is the number. That means we will be multiplying NP. You have learned it in the fitting of normal distribution, how to find out the expected number. You learned binomial distribution. Yes. So we got the value 294. I am moving to the next slide. Those who are writing, write down, all of you. You may be thinking the PPT will come, we can do that. That is not so easy. You will have to spend more time. Here 1 hour time, half an hour time means there 1 hour time you will have to spend. Okay. When x is equal to 152, we are getting z is greater than 1.2, we are getting. So that we will be getting greater than 1.2. It will be coming like this. The figure will be like this. Yes, it is 1.2 will be coming right side. One 1.2 is coming in the right side. So we will be finding the value from 0 to 1.2 and subtracting from 0.5. 0 to 1.2, the value is 0.3849. So we are getting it as 0.1151. Multiplying it with 800, you are getting it as 92. These two problems are clear or not, all of you, including the last days 4 bits. Yes or no, you can write. Clear. Dinesh has told clear. Actually, I am having 400 students. You should respond whether you are understanding or not. No means no, yes means yes. Now one more problem I am doing. Yes, yes. And also we are keeping more, all 4 classes I am handling. Once I complete this topic, again I will keep the revision class. So that time you can check that whether it is clear for you or not. Yes. I am continuously taking that, completing the topic. After that, I will keep the revision class. One topic, at least minimum one class. Which is a bigger topic means when will be the revision class means as soon as I finish the normal distribution. If I can finish it today, next class will be the revision for normal and uniform distribution. Like that, whether you are able to do it or not, I will check it. Okay, all right. I am moving to the next problem. That is more complicated, means the concept is little different. Aishwarya is asking these values where you are going for the examination, that college will provide. If you are writing in our college means they will be providing. If they are not providing, you can carry it with you. With their permission, you can take it to the examination hall. Just take a printout of that table which I have sent to you. Is it clear? All of you need a printout. When we are having, if you are having a mid examination and all, you need a printout of that. That time we will not provide you, so you should take a printout of that. Okay, once the college reopens, you should take it out. Otherwise, you will be seeing from yourself. Okay. I am going to the next problem. Okay. The marks obtained in statistics in certain examinations found to be normally distributed. Let me move this little up. Even if it goes, no problem. You understand it? Yes. The marks obtained in statistics in certain examinations found to be normally distributed. I will answer it. Okay, Karthik, wait. Normally distributed if 15% of students greater than or equal to 60 marks and 40% less than 30 marks find the mean and standard deviation. All of you can think. By the time I will answer Karthik's question. You all of you read the problem. Can you answer it or not? You check it. Then we should take 0.5 minus Z. Then not. It is Karthik. Karthik, I could not understand the question. What is 0.5 minus Z or anything else you are mentioning? All of you read the problem. What is the difference between the previous problem and this problem? You tell. Who can tell me? Let me see. That is this answer for Rohan has written 30 greater than or equal to x less than 59. We will check normal distribution. Aishwarya is telling normally distributed. She is telling. Okay, all right. 15% greater than or equal to 60 marks and 40% less than 30 marks. Actually, here we are talking about okay, mean and standard deviation is not given. Sigma and mu it is not given. Okay, all right, correct. Find mean and standard deviation is the question itself. Oh, all right, Dinesh has got the answer. I think you are copying from somewhere, Dinesh, or you are so, what is that, Shakuntala Devi? Yes. Good. Yes. So we will be seeing. We will see. So we will see the problem. Then I will explain to you. Mu and sigma be the standard deviation they are asking us to find out. So we are assuming what is mu and what is sigma as it is. So they have told. Now you see this part and after that the figure I will be showing. Yes. X is less than 30.4. Probability they have given it as less than 30 and x is greater than or equal to 60.15. You have copied the question, I am thinking. Otherwise again I will take back the question and show you. See, 40% is less than 30 and 15% is greater than or equal to 60. Yes. So that probability will be coming, maximum value will be 1. So 40%, 15%, all that we will be writing according to that. X is less than 30, 0.4, X is greater than 60, greater than or equal to 60, which they have given 0.15. So this X, since the number Z means the value will vary only from -3 to +3. X value can take any value, X can take any value, but that when we convert it into the standard normal variate, I have shown you the figure, it is varying, maximum probability is lying in between -3 to +3, 99 point approximately percentage, and -1 to +1, 68% we have learnt. Yes, all right. So x equal to 30 we are finding, x minus mu by sigma, but we don't know the value since we are not knowing mu and sigma. So I have named it as minus z1. What is the reason? Our mark will be varying from 0 to 100. 2 times I will repeat the problem. Listen all of you. 0 to 100. 50 will be below that mean and the 50 will be above the mean. I am going to show the figure also. Here when 60 means it is coming the right side, so I am putting it Z2. Now I will show the figure whether you are understanding or not, you see. I am considering this, here it is 0, here it is 0, I am writing. That means not Z value, it is X value. X equal to 0 I am writing here. Yes, here I will be writing X equal to 100. Yes. So this line will be coming as, according to X, I will be considering it as 50. But the figure is representing Z, it will not be. 0 is representing the mean of the standard normal distribution, it is 0. That is why 0 I have written here. Understood? So x is equal to 30 is coming in the left side, x equal to 60 is coming in the right side. When I convert it into standard normal variate, I am getting the left side Z1, but it is in the left side, that is why I am putting it as negative value. In our figure, left side is negative values and right side is positive values. So I wrote Z equal to Z2 here, Z equal to Z1 here. Is it clear or not for all of you? This much is clear or not? As Teja is Rohan, as I am having, I think all together when I was teaching CSCC, I was getting 15 students continuously answering. Here I am having all 9 sections, I am getting maximum 15 students. How, ma'am, how can you say x equal to 30 would lie on the negative part? Aishwarya, actually, you forget about Z and you think about X. Actually, our mark distribution will be from 0 to 100. Yes, 0 to 100. So, 50, it is, the curve is symmetric about y-axis. So, half should be below that line. That means y-axis, which we are assuming what Venkat has written. Like that, it will be in the left side and the other one will be in the right side. The remaining will be in the right side. Am I correct or not, Aishwarya? Yes or no? Since it is not, marks cannot be negative marks, we are not putting here. It is not IIT question paper. Only positive value marks are there only for us. Even them also they will be adding it. Yes. Okay. So I got Z1 and Z2. Is it clear or not? Take it all of you. The two slides which I have shown, whether clear or not. Since these problems are more complicated one in the normal distribution. Now the next point which I am going to tell you should understand properly. It is not like the previous problems which we have done. Okay, Aditya, once again I am telling I should take the previous slide or the figure I should take and I should tell. Tell me, Krishnavaditya, figure or with the how I got Z1 and Z2 as figure. Figure I am telling. You don't see the numbers in that. Just to understand it. After that I will tell what the numbers which I have written. I am having the problem here 40% less than 30, 15% greater than or equal to 60. I am considering 30 in the left side, 60 in the right side. 50, that means 0 to 50 marks means it will come in the left side, 50 will be in the middle, and 50 to 100 will be coming in the right side. Is it clear? Then you see the figure where I have written x equal to 30, where I have written x equal to 60. That much only you understand at present. Is it clear, Krishna, Aditya? Yes. Now we will see one more time. I will take that substitution. Substitution is clear for you. I have put a negative sign here. Why it is also you. Now it is clear, I think. Since that 30 I am taking in the left hand side, that is why I put the negative sign here. 60 is coming in the right hand side, that is why I put it in the positive value. Yes, can I proceed? Can I proceed? Yeah. Okay, I will take the next slide. Now, let me figure also tell. Let me tell the figure after that only I will. See, we know that area under the normal curve is 1. Area under the normal curve 1 means you have answered the quiz 0 to infinity, right side 0.5, left side 0.5. So they have told greater than or equal to 60 is 15%, means this part area is 0.15. Less than 30 is 40%, they told that area is 0.4. Is it clear? 0.15 and 0.4 which I have written. Yes or no, all of you? Yes. Now, what I will do, 0.5, actually we are having some restrictions in our table, all will be giving from 0 to, from starting 0 only we will get. That is why I should find out the area of this part. How can I find out the area of this part? That is 0.5 minus 0.15. That gives 0.35. Similarly, here also 0.5 minus 0.4 will be giving 0.1. Now, the figure is completely correct or not, you tell me. Figure is clear. Now, our idea is to find out Z1 and standard normal variates, two standard normal variates we are having, that is Z1 and Z2. That we should find out. For that we are having two equations we have already written and kept, that are, let me take the previous slide. This is the equation we are having. For that, now what I am telling you should clearly you should understand. Probability of 0 less than Z less than Z2 is 0.35. I found out and shown you in the table, sorry, in the figure. Similarly, I have shown in the figure, it is minus Z1 to 0, it is 0.1 also I have shown. Because of the symmetry, we can write it as 0 less than z less than z1. Whether these two lines are understanding or not, you check it. These two lines which I have written is clear. That is, with the figure you check it. Zero less than, everything I am expressing from 0 to some value. Check all of you. If one no, if I see I am very happy, I can explain one more time. Karthik, are you making me happy? Okay, all right. One more time I should explain. Really, Karthik? Karthik, should I explain one more time? Okay, good. Okay, then here you see, you write down in your notebook 0 less than z2 is 0.35. Is it there or not, you see? And 0 less than z1 and minus z1 less than 0 also you write it in your notebook. And when I take the figure, you check it what I have written here. See, 0 to Z2, the area is 0.35. Now we are talking about area. Earlier we were talking about ordinate. Ordinate means what it is. This value what we are getting here, what value we are getting along this z-axis. Now we are talking about the inside portion. Any idea? 0 to z1 I wrote. Actually it is negative, but because of the symmetry we can take it as positive. Where is Karthik? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Now because of that, what we will do, now you should take your table and you should see that corresponding to 0.1. That means you will be seeing. Let me take the table and show you. Then only you can understand it. Let me go back and take the table. You should find out where 0.1 is there in the middle, here. You get first starting value I want. Okay, 0.25 or 0.26, both are equally nearby. 0.1 if you take, that means 0.26 if you take, or 0.25 you take, no problem at all. No problem, one of them, nothing will happen. Actually, you can take the average of it, even if it goes 0.25 or 26, you will not lose mark. Yes, which is very close, that you should take. Even if you take that way, nothing will happen. You see, all of you, those who could not understand, you see, now we are having area. Area means this middle portion you should check. You should not check here and you cannot find out. Now we are talking about area means here I will check and I am getting 0.987, 0.1026. If you don't want 0.987, leave off. You take 0.1026. That is more nearer, I think. I will pay all right. Whatever may be, no problem at all. I can show you, this is easier for me, that is why I am showing you. 0.1026 is corresponding to 0.2 and 6. 0.26. Yes? Did you get, boys and girls? Are you understanding? I am seeing the area. Now area I am seeing. I am not seeing the ordinate. Ordinate means this here, here. Earlier all problems we have seen here. Now I am seeing here and I am finding out. Yes. Yes. Once you are clear with the table means I will go back and take the slide where I have stopped. Can I proceed or not, you tell me. Okay, I can proceed. All of you, or at least a few of you write, then only I can see it's 1 or 2 students. I am taking the class for minimum 400 students, not for 40 students. You should give some motivation for me, is it? Over? Can I proceed? Yes. Okay, okay, all right, okay. Okay, then I will take the previous slide. That means the slide which we want. Now, 0.25 I got corresponding to Z1, that means 0.1, and 0.35 you find out. Did you get 1.04 corresponding to 0.35? Now you find out the area. From area you find out the ordinate. One 0.35, is it 0.35? One 1.3 only coming, or 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, okay, all right, okay. Now you substitute the, for Z1 negative value you should substitute, and Z2 you should substitute positive value. Okay, with error, all right, no problem. Little here and there, nothing will happen. Okay. Now you substitute, and now what we wrote in the previous slide, we are missing Z1 and Z2, we got it. We are substituting there, and take out your calculator and calculate mu and sigma. Mu and sigma you find out. Take your two equations in two unknowns. Okay. Answer is tallying. Your answer is tallying with mine, or my answer is tallying with yours. Okay. Both are same. Yes. 35.89 is telling Aishwarya. Okay, you got that, means my calculation may be little gone wrong. I am no. Okay, you calculate it, no problem at all. Some more students find out the answer with whether it is tallying with Aishwarya and Rohan, what they have told. Rohan, you are from which section? Aishwarya, you are from which section? No, just your names are not familiar to me. You are not from B or C or ITB. These two. Okay, all right. Yeah, Aishwarya, you know, Pavani, oh, Pavani, you are Pavani. Yes, yes, now I got it. Yes, now I am seeing Aishwarya only. Pavani, oh, okay, okay, all right, okay. Yes, I used to call you Pavani only. This way. Yes. Yes. And says, we will have cues. Yes, yes, Dinesh, you are very particular about that. Actually, I am supposed to tell the same type of problem. Okay, we will keep tomorrow is working day for us. So we will be doing more problems based on. Actually, I have completed all different types. We are going to have cues. I have completed all different types of problems of normal distribution. That means standard normal distribution. But for your experience, that means practice, that what I meant. Tomorrow I will be doing the same type of problems, whatever I have covered yesterday and today. Okay, alright, I will stop this and I will go for the quiz. Okay. Tomorrow we are having 1.5 hours. Okay, that I think I can do more problems. Yes, did you get this? Did you get it? Yes, okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, do it. I think nothing is there for me to tell, summarize today, that is why I did not do it. All I have told you in the last class. "38 students stepped away." It should not happen. All of you should attempt the quiz. I am keeping a track. I can see your names.